Imagine a security camera that sees more than you expect, not just in resolution, but in intelligence. Most cameras give you blurry footage and plenty of blind spots, but what if I told you Xiaomi just dropped something that flips the script? Because their latest smart camera isn't just an upgrade, it's a dual-sensor powerhouse that promises crystal-clear 3K video, almost no blind spots, and AI that can tell the difference between your dog and an intruder. Stick with me, because the best part is what happens inside this little device and why it matters more than you think. Xiaomi has officially launched the Smart Camera 4 Dual Camera Edition, an enhanced version of its already popular home security device. And the standout feature? Two 5-megapixel sensors working together to deliver 2960 by 1666 resolution, or what Xiaomi calls 3K clarity. But sharper video is just the beginning. The dual setup allows for wider coverage, while the PTZ design gives you 360 degrees of horizontal rotation and 152 degrees vertically. Translation: does frustrating blind spots? Practically gone. Now, what about nighttime monitoring? Xiaomi built in a 940-nanometer infrared fill light paired with advanced imaging algorithms. That means the camera can capture detailed night vision up to 10 meters away, even when the lighting is far from ideal. And here's where things really get interesting. Inside this small device is a one-TOPS AI chip. Unlike many budget cameras that push all processing to the cloud, this one can detect humans and pets locally. It's smarter, faster, and more private, sending you push notifications the moment it notices something unusual. Connectivity-wise, it supports dual-band Wi-Fi 6, two-way voice calls, and even up to 256 gigabytes of local storage via micro SD card. Plus, Xiaomi has layered in several privacy protection features for peace of mind. So here's the kicker. All of this, the dual 5-megapixel lenses, the AI chip, the night vision, the Wi-Fi 6, comes in at just 299 yuan, or about $42. That's a price tag that undercuts most smart cameras with half the features. Now, the catch? For now, it's only available in China. But if and when this reaches the global market, it could easily shake up the budget security camera space. If you're excited about where smart home tech is heading, and you want to see more deep dives into gadgets like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.